Oh yeah, look at that one. Oh my God.
That's brilliant. I couldn't bring the big. So these ones, if anyone would like to start breeding these.
It's your man, Master Mark. About to show y'all what being a real gangster's all about, you feel me? I don't rely on no food stamps, cause every season I'm harvesting some new plants. It got me feeling like gardening is gangster. Gangster, gardening is gangster. Yeah, I can't trust my own.
Excuse me. Hello. Hello. We're giving away free mint plants. Would you be interested? Are you happy if we film you doing it? Good stuff. How do you like eating it?
I like by itself quite often, but I also
well,
like to mix it in a drink.
Do you? When you get them from the supermarket, often they don't last very long, because the reason they don't last very long is that they put them in this really small pot, okay, so it dies. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this into like a big pot, yeah? They're quite tricky. It's supposed to be very good for you to get soil in your hands. It's supposed to make you feel good about something. One of the things which makes a real difference to how things grow is the quality of this stuff.
Compost,
and this is really good stuff. You put your fingers like that and you turn it upside down and then you sort of squeeze it to get it out. Yeah. That's perfect. Yeah, lovely. You've done this before, I can see. Okay. And then you want to sort of push it down a bit just to make it firm, to make sure the roots are really firmly in contact. That's lovely. Put it in, firm it down. Okay, and then when you get home you need a good water. Have you ever done that before? You've done it now, well done. But one other thing I have to tell you, come back, when you pick it, and it's important to pick it, because if you don't pick it, it won't get bushy. But if you take all the tips off, each bit where you've cut it, 2 branches will grow. So you'll end up with a really lovely bushy plant when you do it like that. Right. And there's a couple of bits for your husband's lamb this evening.
Sunday.
Okay, there you are.
Thank you, but
take it with you.
Don't want any money for this.
Well, you've seen people just walk past and they join in.
There's a good variety of cultures and it works really well. It's one of the best community things going.
Never slipping, giving love to the people that I meet. Moving vegetables is going down in the street.
3 or 4 weeks time,
serious high.
they'll look like
when
that.
I put my hands in the dirt, sun in the sky, giving life, watching God work. When I rise, give thanks and praise. All power to the people to the end of my days. Gardens and farms in every city in the nation. Grow our own food and raise up off the plantation. Rep your hood, love your hood, nurture your hood. Stand up, shine
light. Would you be interested in a mint plant? We're giving them away. Help support people's great food.
I'm harvesting some new plants. It got me feeling like gardening is gangster. Gangster, gardening is gangster. Yeah, I can't trust my own government, so I got off my hamster wheel and got off the grid.